Alright, so welcome back to another Z-Bolt unboxing, and today we're gonna take a look at the camera unboxings, guys. So this is actually the usual bag that I'm using outside. This is actually a Del C Cortex. Pretty good value, around $40. But actually my issue with this is it has a flap, which can be good, for some use cases, but it takes me longer to bring out my camera, and I want to do some more street photography. So yeah, I'm a street photographer. That's kind of my hobby. So you can follow me in Z-Bolt Photo. I'm gonna link it down in the description below if you want to check out my photography. So I wanted to get a camera bag that will be faster to draw my cameras. That's why we have the Peak Design 5L version 1. So I'm really excited about this. I've been looking at this for a long time, and I haven't really pulled the trigger. So yeah, the Peak Design version 1 5L is something that I really like because it just looks like maybe a fanny pack. So actually, as you guys can see, it's actually pretty sizable. Actually, compared to my Cortex, this is a bit bigger compared to that. So why I got the version 1? Because actually for me, the version 1 looks more minimalist compared to the new one. The new one, I don't like the look, in my opinion. This one looks more minimalist. So as you guys can see, you have that kind of texture going on, that kind of water resistant texture. Pretty sizable in front. So this can be, a place for you to put your lens caps, a place to put some maybe chargers, accessories. All right, and you have a handle as well at the top. And yeah, what I like about this is the main advantage is you can wear this in a fanny pack kind of position, or also in a normal kind of messenger bag kind of position. So this will be your main camera here, and this at this side you're gonna maybe put some lenses as well at that side, and here at this side you can also put some lenses. And the advantage of Peak Design is you can fold it as well. So this is actually pretty new, it hasn't been folded, so I need to set that up. But you can fold this, and so after you fold this one, you can get another layer, and you also have your micro SD or SD card slots here at the top. And yeah, the main advantage here, especially for street photography, guys, is of course it has just one zipper, and when you open it, you can access your camera right away. That's pretty fast. So one kind of motion compared to what I had before. So it's pretty fast, a fast draw. That's important because in street photography, the moment might not always be there. So you need to draw your camera fast. Right. So here you also have a kind of a pouch here at the top, which I'm gonna test if my tablet can fit in as well. Actually, the strap itself feels nice. So definitely the whole thing feels really good in the hand. So yeah, this will be kind of the look. It will be kind of a sling kind of bag. Then you're gonna draw your camera here, and then when you're done with it, you can zip up and then put it at the back. So it will be kind of a sling kind of thing. So it won't be this easy in my previous bag for sure. So because yeah, my previous bag is a normal messenger, and as you guys can see, it doesn't look like a camera bag. So definitely an advantage, and that really happy about this. And here at the side, you do get your extensions for your Peak Design as well. So this setup that I have here is the typical setup in my day. Of course, not including the camera that we're shooting now, because this is my main camera right now. So you have the Rode Video Mic Pro. So yeah, first I need to kind of adjust this side so it can fit our Video Mic Pro. The Video Mic Pro is one of the bigger mics that you can bring. So the Video Mic Pro is here, but I need to make some adjustment in the left side. Our XE3N, and yeah, actually ample space here. So even if I moved for my Video Mic Pro, it's not that big of an issue. So another one, this is the Fujifilm 10-24. So we're gonna put it here at this side. Alrighty. So that is what it's gonna look like. This is my wireless kind of pair. Maybe for this one, we can put it in front. So because that's my usual setup, I put the accessories in front. And next one in front, actually I do fit a lot of stuff in the Cortex. So in fairness to the Del C, you can fit a lot of stuff here. My action camera, which is the Arc Zero. So I may put it here at this side, actually at the top. So definitely yes, it's not, you know, the biggest camera bag in the world. You need to plan your day, and that can be a good or bad thing, because yeah, and sometimes as photographers you tend to bring more than you need. And okay, my first impression is it doesn't feel that heavy. That's nice, you know. It also doesn't feel that big. So definitely that curves, that shape that you have makes it really small, because in the Cortex, once I loaded it with everything under the sun, it does look big. So this is the final thing that we're gonna put in our new bag. So let's see if this fits. It might fit, guys. Wow, that's cool. So yeah, now you need to kind of adjust it. There you go. There you go. Wow. So yeah, carrying it doesn't feel that heavy. I was quite surprised about that. So maybe because of the design, maybe because of the sling, maybe because of the snugness of the whole design. So you have the sling going on. You can put it at the back, and then if you're gonna shoot, put it forward. So yeah, definitely looks good. I'd say let's try to emulate a shoot. Maybe go here to here. Get the camera and then shoot. All right. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. So it fits all the stuff that we put in our Cortex, in a better looking bag, in a more minimalist looking bag, in a more easier draw kind of bag, and it even fits a tablet as well. It fits everything, and actually I think I can fit more if I just adjust the fins, because I haven't did that. And you can put some micro SDs, SD cards. It fits even action cameras as well. And yeah, I think you can even carry a tripod with this kind of mount if you like. But that might be a stretch. But yeah, really cool. That is really cool. And I haven't actually talked about the other smart features as well. Just talking about the bag part of things, but the back part of things is actually really cool. So this is what it's gonna look like, packed to the brim. It still doesn't look that big, so I'm pretty happy with this one. So yeah, I got this for a pretty good price. I'm pretty happy with the overall purchase. It looks good, it performs well, it doesn't feel heavy. There's a lot of smart designs, and it fits all the gear that we want, especially for a hybrid shooter like me. This will work really nicely. And I think even for 2021, this is still the one of the best sling bags that you can get. I do like this more than the V2, because I do like the look of this more than the V2, and the V2 is 6 liters, so it's a little bit bigger. So I'm quite okay with this size as well. So like for me, even in 2021, this is one of the best camera bags that's a sling kind of bag that you can get for street photography. So that's pretty cool. So that's our look and unboxing of the Sling 5L from Peak Design. Peak Design is really popular in the photography community for a reason, because they do make really nicely designed, peak designed bags. So yeah, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And if you have additional questions for me on this one, I'm gonna use it more. Let me know down in the comments below. This will be just an unboxing channel. So for those items that needs a review, I might do it in the Zpult channel, because that's my channel for reviews. This will be just me having fun with gadgets. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. We're gonna cover a lot more really popular, really cool stuff here in this channel. Tech, cameras, and yeah, really cool stuff. So if you're into that, consider subscribing, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next Zpult unboxing. Goodbye.